In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image on Wix. If you want to adjust how an image appears on your Wix website, cropping is a quick and useful way to do it. This can help you remove unwanted edges, improve the framing of a photo, or make the image fit better within your page layout. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple, right inside the editor. To get started, first open your page in Wix and go into Edit Site mode so you can make changes to your content. Once you're inside the editor, find the image you want to crop and click directly on it. When you select the image, a row of editing options will appear near the top, giving you access to different tools for adjusting that image. From those options, look for the crop feature and click on it. This will open the cropping tool for the selected image. At this point, you'll see handles around the image area. These handles let you control exactly how much of the image you want to keep visible. Now simply click and drag the handles inward or outward to crop the image as much as you'd like. As you do this, pay attention to how the image is framed. Try to keep the most important part of the image centered and visible, especially if the photo includes a subject, text, or product that needs to stand out clearly. Cropping is not just about cutting part of the image away, it's also about improving the overall look and balance of the design. Take your time while adjusting the crop so the image looks right within the space on your page. A tighter crop can make an image feel more focused, while a wider crop can preserve more background and context. If something doesn't look right, just keep dragging the handles until you get the result you want. Once you're happy with the crop, you can leave it as is and continue editing the rest of your page. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how polished your website looks. That's all it takes to crop an image on Wix. As you work on your site, using simple tools like this can help your visuals look cleaner, more professional, and better suited to your overall design.